Enjoy your passion for cooking with this built-in double oven from Neff, which has intelligent features that deliver impressive results. It has a large 71-litre capacity in the main oven and a small 34-litre capacity in the second oven. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a grill setting and a roasting function. And it's designed to fit into an eye-level cabinet, so there's no need to measure, as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Neff's CircoTherm technology creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the main oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly spreads hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly, no matter which shelf it's on. And because the heat is always moving, the flavours from different foods won't mix together. Now you can bake a fresh loaf of bread while cooking your evening meal and still get delicious results every time. The top oven on this model can be used as a conventional oven and a grill. Simply select the conventional function to spread heat from the top and the bottom of the cavity, or select the grill function for an intense blast of heat from the top. So this is great when making pasta bakes, as you can cook it with the conventional function and then afterwards create a beautiful crispy cheese topping. If you're looking for a built-in double oven with intelligent features that will deliver impressive cooking results, this model from Neff is an excellent choice.